Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph tutorial video. In today's Delph tutorial video, we'll learn about how to fix a JNI error has occurred in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, open your computer settings. Click on the Start button at the bottom of your desktop screen and open your main settings gear panel. Look at the options on the screen, click on the Apps or Applications button, and look at the list of installed programs. You have to look at your main system tools so you can see if your computer has the right Java version to run the game. Without this step, you wouldn't know if your background tools are missing or just too old. Next, remove the old Java. You need to find your old background helper software, which is called Java, and erase it from your system so it does not cause any more confusion. Look at your list of programs, find the old Java, and click the uninstall button. Follow the simple prompts on your screen to completely wipe the old file folder away from your hard drive. By cleaning out the old, worn-out software, you are clearing a clean path for the correct files. It ensures that the computer won't get confused by trying to use a broken, old tool when you try to play. Next, download the newest version online. Now you need to go to the internet to grab a fresh, completely updated version of the helper software that matches the game files. Open your web browser, go to the official Java download website, and click the download button. Choose the simple installer file that matches your computer type and wait for the file to finish saving to your desktop. By downloading the exact new version, you are getting the secret key that satisfies the game launcher. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.